Everyone has a smartphone these days, and they pretty much run our lives, which means keeping it safe and free from viruses is very important. So how do you know if your Android device has been hacked? If your phone is acting funny, you should use these tips to check for malware, scam apps, and other problems with your device. Here's how to tell if your Android phone is hacked. 1. Extreme battery usage. Even if you don't see clear signs of suspicious activity, something malicious can be going on behind the scenes. One of the best ways to see if your phone has been hacked is to check your battery usage. If your phone is hot for no reason, even when it's not charging, something could be running in the background while the screen is off. Some of the most sophisticated malware can still leave traces on your phone or tablet, so start by checking the battery usage menu. Open Settings, Battery usage, and look for an unknown app. We all use our phones differently, but if you notice extremely severe battery drain, that's a concern. You can reboot your phone, close the suspect software, or, if possible, completely uninstall the app. 2. Check for random unwanted app installs. Another telltale sign of malware or phone hacking is if you see random apps installed on your phone. These are apps you didn't install yourself. Some apps or sites can install a program on your phone and send sensitive information back to a third party. Don't pass this off. It likely means your device has been hacked. Sometimes it won't use a ton of battery life, but it can still cause harm and drain your data. If you find one, here's how to get rid of it. Navigate to Settings, Apps, App Manager, and scroll through the list of apps on your phone. Sometimes you might have to tap the All Apps drop-down arrow. Find anything you don't want, tap it, and select Uninstall. 3. Unusually high data usage. Most people have unlimited data plans, so they don't look at the data usage menu in Settings. But if your Android is acting up and you want to check if your phone is hacked, it's another easy way to check for issues. If you have a virus, it could be sending your private data back to a third party via an app that's constantly running and communicating with bad actors. To check, go to Settings, Connections and Wi-Fi, Data Usage, and poke around for a bit. When you find something that looks suspicious, uninstall it after making sure it's not essential to your device. 4. Watch for weird pop-ups and ads. Pop-ups come in various shapes and sizes at random times and from all types of websites. We've learned to deal with them, and most of the time, it's nothing more than an ad covering content. Sometimes, though, they can be nefarious and cause you trouble. Keep an eye out for weird pop-ups or ads that look funny. Never click on them. Google made several changes in the last few years to avoid occurrences like this, especially in Google Chrome on Android, but it still happens on occasion. Usually, it'll make your phone vibrate as pop-ups appear over and over. Your screen will even flash. But it's fake. Don't tap the Remove button. Close your entire web browser and reboot your smartphone. 5. Apps and phone keep crashing. Unexplained behavior. Another sign that your Android phone may be hacked is if it keeps crashing. Often, Android phones will start acting erratically. Apps open for no reason, or your phone will be slow or constantly crash. Sometimes these problems come from a virus. First, try Google's very own Play Protect scanner that's built directly into the Google Play App Store. Open Google Play and tap the menu button near the top. Then go on Play Protect halfway down the screen and hit Scan to start scanning your phone. There are dozens of antivirus scanners and mobile security, but we recommend sticking to trusted brands and names. If you like this video, then please do subscribe, comment, and like the video.